सभी को राम राम, जय श्री महाकाल। तो गेस्ट ऑफ द डे हैं मिनी मिनी जी। And this is Renu Mangtani, certified digital banker by profession for 6 to 7 years, and now turned out to an internationally renowned author. Then various cover girl magazines I have covered. Apart from that, a youth icon by the governor of Maharashtra, and much more. And let's not take much time. And this beautiful soul is here with us, like in women empowerment and economic developments. We had 51 co-authors. She's one amongst them. So let us know more about her. Over to you, Minima.
Hello, introduction about myself. And as Renuji said that I'm one of the co-author for this beautiful book. I'm very grateful to be here to share my learnings and insight, what I gained while exploring about the life. I'm a very good explorer. I love to explore things. And I started exploring about life. So I learned a lot of modalities like pranic healing. I learned sound healing. I learned NLP, which is neuro linguistic program. I learned Ho'oponopono, EFT, and got more and more knowledge about it. And today, I'm very happy to be here, and I'm a very simple living person. So that's all about me.
That's so impressive, ma'am. So what's your say on this beautiful topic, which is women empowerment and economic developments?
As I also mentioned in my book, that for me, empowerment is not gender biased, or it is not even status biased. It is the empowerment is being done to the person. A person needs an empowerment if he or she is disempowered. It can be a woman, it can be a man. And we have the power within us. Nobody can empower us. It is
And
just that we,
that's what your title also says, which is
yes,
power within
exactly.
you.
Exactly. So we just need to realize it, acknowledge it, accept it, and be determined. And then we can take the necessary actions to learn the skills which are required for achieving our goals. We always talk about women empowerment because in the earlier times and even today in certain areas, what happens is like women is deprived of certain things like education, job. So that is the reason we always talk about women empowerment. But in generally that even I have seen, if you take an example of Sudha Murthy, which I have even given in my article, she has been from the earlier time and her family was not in her support, but still, since she was empowered and determined from inside, she did whatever she wanted to be, and now she is one of the billionaire.
So actually, it needs awareness yet, because people are still there who are following such practices. Like, as I personally say, that to educate a girl is to educate a family. But still कुछ लोग हैं वो अभी भी मतलब ये पुरानी जो practices है follow कर रहे हैं, जहाँ education नहीं मिल पा रहा है girls को, या फिर वो पुराने जमाने की जो thinking है कि सपोज आफ्टर मैरिज एक गर्ल जो है वो हाउसवाइफ बन के ही रह जाएगी, उसे सिर्फ घर के ही काम करने हैं, शी कैन नॉट बी फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट। तो ये सारी चीजें नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज आजकल जो है वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का दौर चल रहा है। वुमेन्स टोटली आजकल वुमेन्स हर एक सेक्टर में है। तो ये अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स होने चाहिए। और ये किताब जो है हमारी, ऑल दीज प्रोजेक्ट्स जो हमारे अभी चल रहे हैं, all these are in association with Ankakshar Miracles, which is an institute of occult sciences, spiritual activities and research, where we believe to make you rise high। प्रमोट कर रहे हैं हम, आइए आप भी जुड़िए, सर्टिफाइड पब्लिश्ड को ऑथर बनिए। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, like since it's an occult organization, occult field, so we also teach numerology and much more। so आइए मैम से जानते हैं। मैम ने और बताया है कि शी इज अ सोर्सिंग स्पेशलिस्ट इन टेक्सटाइल्स। तो उस बारे में बताइए कुछ मैम हमें।
Yeah, by profession, I'm a sourcing specialist of home furnishing division. So basically, I'm in the export industry. We cater to different clients, the brands outside India. Like you must have heard about the H&M, Crate and Barrel, and all those home furnishing brands, TJX and all that. So we have been catering to their requirements, sourcing from India. So, you know, as India is very much famous for the textiles things, we have handlooms over here and everything. So, I basically what I do is like I connect the customers and I meet their basic requirements, whatever the price is, whatever the material they need from the India. So that's what I have been doing from always. I had done my studies also in textiles. I've done my MSc in textiles.
So that's great. And apart from that, I can see that you are a totally versatile or multi-talented personality because, as you mentioned, that you have also achieved a various healing titles. So how did you manage, like, from textiles and then NLP practitioner and all these things? How do you
Uh,
manage?
okay. I'll be very honest that my journey, my spiritual journey or the healing journey started when I was diagnosed with the neurological condition many years back. I started exploring about the things, exploring about the health issues and all that slowly and steadily. I did a lot of modalities I explained earlier. So slowly and steadily, my interest started developing and I started, you know, digging more and more into it. And then recently I did, like last year only, I did NLP, which is neuro linguistic program, where I learned about the brain mechanism, how our brain works and all that. So I started practicing. It was purely initially for myself. I have been doing it for myself because I was not well. But now what happens is like whenever I meet, maybe I'm because I've heard and learned about the energy word, and you know I'm in a different this thing. So I've been attracting people, my friends and everyone. They get interested seeing me. You know, if you would have seen me 2 years back, I was in a little bad shape health wise. So when people see me today, physically I'm still not in very good this thing, but mentally I'm very strong and I've been doing things. I've been doing. So people ask me. So you know, I love to share with them. You know, this is what I have learned. This is what I have learned. You also see. So that ways.
And I just hats off because looking at your neurological condition, and as you mentioned that mentally you are strong, but physically you are still not. You still manage, like you are still growing. You didn't stop. You didn't give up. So there should be a round of applause for it. And something on spirituality, like as you are you believe in spirituality.
Yeah. In spirituality, I have really learned a very interesting fact, which many of us would be knowing. Like we work with the energy. You know, the universe work with the energies, and energies have their own vibration in certain frequency. So our every thought, our actions, our words, everything has certain vibrations, and we communicate with the universe with that energy only. So, whatever thoughts we have, whatever words we speak, whatever actions we take, their frequency will get us the result. Like if I'm thinking very evil thoughts, I'm thinking bad about others, I'm bitching about others, so I will attract those kind of energies only. If I'm thinking good, I will attract those kind of energies. And I've practically worked on it. I've implemented on myself because earlier I was very negative because hearing from the doctors and everyone, you know, this is very incurable disease, this is the problem, you can't be okay and all that. So those inner voices used to trouble me a lot, you know. Oh, I don't know what will happen to my daughter, what will happen to me and all that. But when I started working, then I learned that, you know, gratitude has the highest vibration energies. I started paying gratitude every day. Now it has become my habit. Every morning I have to get up and I have to think, you know, for what I'm grateful. I'm grateful for even breathing, that today I'm being able to breathe. I should be grateful about that. So I started practicing that. So now that inner voice, somewhere I have killed it. I feel, yes, I can be cured. It can be done. So I started attracting those kind of people, the doctors, the alternative medicine, the physiotherapist, and the spirituality mentors. I attracting those kind of people, and I started getting more and more knowledge about it. So that's what and spirituality, and this is what I learned about, and this is what I think that you know everyone should follow. And if you see the Gita ka Gyan, if you must have heard about it, that also says the same thing. You do good things, you will get what you want.
Good will
You
come
should
to
not,
you.
yeah, you should not think about the results. You should just do your good. And that's the thing. And that's what I have started following.
दैट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल मैम कि स्पिरिचुअल हीलिंग के साथ आपने डिस्पाइट ऑफ योर कंडीशन यू आर सो स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड यू मैनेज ऑल द थिंग्स सो ब्यूटिफुली दैट्स रियली वंडरफुल एंड जस्ट आवर ऑडियंस वुड लाइक टू नो जब आपको ये किताब मिली थी क्या फीलिंग रही सर्टिफाइड पब्लिश्ड को ऑथर बनने के बाद क्या फीलिंग रही व्हाट वाज दैट फीलिंग वी वुड लाइक टू सी इट लाइव
I really felt very satisfied and happy that I got a platform to convey my learnings to people, and I can help people to learn from my learnings. And that's a contented feeling I got when I got the book.
That's great, ma'am. And I can see that, as you said about the empowerment, and in your article, you have mentioned it three steps I can see, which is
Yes.
awareness, acceptance, and skill development. So, can you
Yes.
brief about these stages to our audience?
Yeah, first of all, we need to be aware and we need to realize that we have power within us. Many of us, we don't know that we always seek for the help from outside world, right? We need this, if this will happen then we will be okay. I need a support from we don't need any support from outside. Everything, every power is within us. First we need to be aware about it. Once we are aware of it, we need to accept it. Okay, fine, I am powerful, I have power within me. And then whatever is your goal, like I want to be a teacher, so I need to work on the skill development for the same. I need to study for that. If I want to start a cooking channel, I need to learn on my cooking skills. So that ways I need to work on my skills then after that. And the way I have given you example of even Sudha Murthy, and there are a lot many ladies who have actually worked on that. If we see Sudha Murthy, a family opposed her to do the engineering course. The institute opposed her. She was the only woman between I think 400 and something boys. She faced so much struggles, but she did it because she herself thought in her mind and she was determined that I have to do it. And then going opposite to all the struggles and everything, she got married to her husband who was not working at that time. And today both of them are billionaires. So, that is what it is. We need to be aware that we are self-sufficient. We don't need anyone's help. The help comes basically in help. What comes is like we just can motivate and inspire such women to make them realize that they have power within them. Rest of the work they have to do.
How beautifully you correlated it just with these three words, basically. And inspiration, we can see like you have taken a Sudha Murthy's example. So, like जो भी audience अभी हमें सुन रही है, तो वो मिनी मैम का भी inspiration देख सकती है कि despite of anything, whatever she is going through, how beautifully she is working and how she is managing everything. So, जैसे कि आपने इतनी beautiful soul को एक inspiration रखा है, आज हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए ब्रेव पर्सनालिटी आप हैं आज आप किसी की इंस्पिरेशन बन रही हैं तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि आप
So
कितने लोगों को अवेयर कर रही हैं सो वी आर रियली ग्लैड यू नो जितने भी 51 को ऑथर्स हैं सबकी स्टोरी में कुछ ना कुछ अमेजिंग सा निकल के आया है और ये जो इंटरेक्शन हो रहा है इसमें और भी बहुत सारी बातें पता लग रही है तो इतना मजा आ रहा है कि मतलब मैं आई कैन नॉट पुट इट इनटू
same here, my
वर्ड
pleasure.
और इंटरव्यू में तो मतलब सब लोग इतना खुल के एक्सप्रेस करते हैं कि मतलब वर्ड्स इतने अभी जैसे आपने एक्सप्लेन किया इन 3 पॉइंट्स को इतना ब्यूटिफुली सो इट्स रियली यू नो इट्स रियली अमेजिंग दिस फीलिंग कांट बी पुट इन टू द वर्ड्स आई कैन से सो यस लेट्स मूविंग ऑन लाइक आई कैन सी आपकी जर्नी जो है वो टोटली मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लग रही है आपने और बताया है अपने आर्टिकल में कि आप एनजीओ किड्स को और वुमेन आर्टिसंस को भी सपोर्ट करती हैं सो यू आर अ सोशल एक्टिविस्ट टू तो व्हाट्स द एक्चुअल फीलिंग आफ्टर हेल्पिंग देम
When I see smile on their face, smile comes on my face. I feel very satisfied, very happy. When I go to NGO Kids, that my friends NGO, I go to them and they come running. I take my daughter also over there. She learns. There is like, see, those people have so much of value for education. They come, they touch your feet. They are so happy if you get even one workshop done to them. If you distribute a simple thing, they give you so much of respect. I really feel happy, and now I have made it a point that whenever like it was a new year celebrations or whatever, I go once with them, I celebrate with them, and then I go anywhere else. And with the women artisan, That one of my friend, again, she supports them. So I try to utilize my skills, like I'm in export industry, so my contacts and everything, I try to utilize that and try helping her in sourcing the things and marketing the things, so that those women, they get their earning.
वी विश यू लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस मैम बिकॉज आप पर्सनली भी ग्रो कर रही हैं, आप सोसाइटी को भी डेवलप कर रही हैं, बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीजें आप कर रही हैं. सो डेफिनेटली यू आर एम्पावर्ड वुमेन. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू आर विथ योर स्टोरी यू आर एम्पावरिंग लॉट ऑफ वुमेन्स टू. यू नेवर नो कि ये बुक कब कोई परचेस करे, आपकी स्टोरी रीड करे और उसे क्या लग जाए, क्या इंस्पिरेशन मिल जाए. हो सकता है कि आपकी कंडीशन के जैसे और भी लोग होंगे जो रुक से गए होंगे और रुक जाती है उनकी लाइफ. मतलब वो एक सोचते हैं कि अब तो हम ठीक हो नहीं सकते. जैसे आपने बताया कि आपको डॉक्टर्स ने कहा कि दिस लाइक दिस डिजीज कांट बी क्योर्ड. तो चाहती
Yeah,
तो
they
आप.
said that you can take the precautions, but we cannot like a full-time treatment.
तो हो सकता था कि आप डीमोटिवेट हो जाती, आप रुक जाती अपने लाइफ में, बट यू डिडंट गिव अप. एंड टुडे वी आर हियरिंग योर स्टोरी एंड वी आर ब्लेस्ड टू हैव सच पर्सनालिटी विथ अस. तो मैम एट लास्ट आप रीडर्स को क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगी अबाउट द बुक वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट एंड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट्स?
Just believe in yourself. And I want to give a message that it is not that don't expect that things, the troubles or the struggles didn't come to me, or it will not come to you. If you will empower yourself, definitely phases will come. But then we have to overcome. Just believe in yourself and try to find out the solution instead of being a victim and just crying that this is what has happened and why it has happened. So it's better always to find a solution for that, try to work on it. You will definitely get the success.
अगेन स्पीचलेस विथ योर आंसर. सो मिनी मैम ने बताया कि हमें वाई, उस वाई को खत्म करना है और यूनिवर्स में बिलीव करते हुए आगे बढ़ते हुए और हर एक चीज से लड़ते हुए निकलना है. और सक्सेस डेफिनेटली मिलेगी. कैसे मिलेगी? जब हम खुद पे विश्वास करेंगे तभी ही मिलेगी. सो जस्ट बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ. थैंक यू सो मच मैम. एंड जस्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन टू, वेयर डू वी सी योर सेल्फ आफ्टर नेक्स्ट 5 years?
I see myself on this planet only, on planet Earth. Uh, but I want to see a better version of myself.
Of course, we will see because we can see that how positive you are. Universe की blessings के साथ साथ लेके आपने बहुत grow किया है and we wish you a lot of success. अब यूं ही grow करते रहिए और सभी लोग यूं ही बढ़ते रहिए. तो thank you so much मैम, आप आई, अपना कीमती
Thank you.
समय दिया. और तब तक के लिए बने रहिए, जुड़े रहिए अंकाक्षर मिरेकल्स के साथ. Thank you so much मैम.
Thank you so much.
Soon we will meet the new co-author.